Hello children, how are you all? Okay, hope you are all doing good. Children, in last class I have started the lesson number 4, relaxing is fun, right? Till timetable I have completed. So in this session I am going to complete with the exercise part also. Everyone take out your textbook and turn to page number 195. Everyone. Okay. Lesson number 4, relaxing is fun. Page number 195. Other means to relax. There are many other ways to relax the body and mind. Recreation is a means of relaxation. Do things that really make you happy. See here, you can see some children are visiting their relatives. Here they are celebrating, dancing. Boys are playing football. Here they are celebrating a picnic, swimming, listening to the music, visiting a fair. How do you relax? You should mention how are you going to relax. What is your hobby, okay? Suppose you are going for a school picnic. What things would you carry? Write them down in the space given below. If you are going to picnic, you should write it, okay? We will do this. Children like you enjoy the best with friends. You share your things. You help each other. You play with them. It is so much fun to be with the friends. Make a friendship day card for your best friend. We must choose those means of relaxations that makes our mind and body healthy. Many people exercise to relax. Some people enjoy cooking, cleaning or gardening, dancing and painting. So I have read the textbook, right? Now, okay, children, in previous class, what we have studied, we have studied about the relaxation, right? We have studied about the relaxation. What is the importance of relaxation? Why rest is needed? If we always work, we will become tired. If we become tired, we won't have energy, right? So what is the main? If we become tired, what we have to do? We have to relax. How we will relax? Either we will lie down, either we will read the books for relaxation, either we will see the TV, either some of the hobbies which we cultivate. Right. Now, in this other means of relaxation, apart from relaxing ourselves like seeing the TV or watching the movies or singing, dancing, whatever we can see, other means of relaxation is like visiting our elders, respecting our relatives, right? So, other means recreation means relaxation. Recreating yourself means relaxation. What is recreation? Recreation means you are tired, right? Now you are recreating yourself. You are tired. Now you are going to relax. You get lots of energy, right? To get lot of energy, you may able to do other works also. So recreation means relaxation. Okay, how are the ways to relax? First, visiting the relatives. Apart from your own hobbies, you can visit the relatives. Visiting relatives. So sometimes if you feel alone, you don't want to sing a song or you don't want to watch a movie, what is the other way of relaxation? You can visit your relatives. You can visit your auntie, uncle, and some neighbors. You can visit them and you can talk to them and you will feel relaxed, right? Then celebrating festivals. Festivals is also another type of relaxation. We'll get holidays, right, during festivals. So festivals is also a type of relaxation. Whole day you will be working, whole week you will be studying. So if festival comes, you will enjoy the festival and it is also a type of relaxation. Then swimming, dancing, listening music. If you are tired of all these things like reading, watching the movies and all, you can go for swimming. Swimming is also a relaxation and it is also for good health for our body also. Dancing, listening music, dancing is also a type of acrobatic exercise, right? Aerobic exercises. Even you can dance, listen to music, so don't will come under the relaxation. Then you have to cultivate a hobby. Hobby is nothing but as doing something which you like to, which pleases you. Like example like reading the books, reading the novels, or some like collecting the coins, or collecting the pictures, or collecting the stamps, or dancing, listening the music, cooking, cleaning, washing, so all will come under the hobbies also. You have to cultivate a hobby, children. In your free time, apart from studying, apart from doing any other work, in your free time, instead of sleeping, yes, sleeping is important for our mind. Yes, sleep we need. At least 8 hours of sleep, no children need. Okay, apart from that, if you are awake and if you don't have anything, instead of lying simply the movies to cultivate a hobby. Take a dictionary, search new words which you are not able to learn, search the new words. Okay, it's a hobby thing. Then, how do you relax? Okay, there is a question like how do you relax? Here it is mentioned, right? How do you relax? You should mention, children, how do you relax? Okay, I won't write this. You should write because I do not know how you will relax. You know yourself how will you relax. So you mention I relax by. So mention how do you relax. Okay, mention I relax by. Since I don't know how do you all relax, you mention your hobbies. How do you relax? Either by dancing, or listening to music, or swimming, or watching TV, movies, whatever. How will you relax? Mention over here. Okay, children. Then many of them now you are going to picnic, children. Suppose you are going to school picnic. What things will you carry? You should write this. First, whatever you will carry, you will carry your water bottle. Right, you will carry your water bottle. Okay, you should write, children, this on your own if you are going for picnic. If you will carry water bottle, eatables, then what will you carry? You will carry some games, maybe indoor games or outdoor games. If indoor games, what games you will carry? Ludo, snake and ladder, chess. You will carry all this, right? Outdoor games, cricket, bat, tennis ball, football. You will carry a dress if you go for picnic. Mention all this. Then some storybooks also you may carry, right? If you are traveling, if you are feeling bored, you can read the stories, right? So you should write this. How do you relax? You will write. And suppose you are going for a picnic also, you should write. This two means you should write. Okay, this you should write on your own. Okay, I'll be checking all this. Okay, then mention some of the indoor games, children. What will be your indoor games? Some of the indoor games you like Ludo, chess. Then what will be your indoor games? Most probably snake and ladder. Okay, many of them probably indoor games. And what about the outdoor games? What are the outdoor games you play? Cricket, frisbee, football, basketball, right? These are all your outdoor games and indoor games. Indoor games is which we will sit inside our home and we'll play. Outdoor games is we need an open playground for this. Okay. Some of our examples are Ludo, chess, snake and ladder will come under indoor games. And outdoor games we will have cricket, frisbee, basketball, football. Right, children, what is the meaning of frisbee? Take a ring, throw it to the opposite person, and opposite person will also throw back to you. Right, it is a frisbee. Now you have some of the children like to go to their. Okay, now recently we had a friendship day. Okay, some of them will tie the bands to their friends. Some will pass the cards to their friends. Right. If you like to share your things, actually you like to share your things with your friends. Okay. Okay, now you have activity in your textbook today, so you have to prepare a friendship card. Already friendship card they have prepared over here. Only you have to mention to your friend's name. For whom you want to give your friendship card, you should write here. Your friend's name you write it here. Mention happy friendship day. Any drawing which you like, small drawing. Okay, which suits in the box. Okay, then from your name. Your name should be down. Your friend's name should be here. Mention happy friendship day and anyone drawing. Okay, see in this way. Like this you have to mention. See here. Yes, student 2, your friend name, happy friendship day has written, some drawing and your name. Okay, so we must choose those means of relaxation that makes our mind, body and healthy. Yes, make sure whatever you are relaxing or you are choosing to relax, it should keep you fit and healthy. Your body and your mind should be in peace and your body should be fit. Like swimming, dancing, walking, running, this all will come under for body and mind to be healthy. Okay, some people are cooking people enjoy like cooking, cleaning, gardening, dancing. Gardening means taking care of gardens, taking care of plants. Okay, cleaning the house. Cooking means cooking the food, and painting. Painting, you know very well. We have to take colors, there are different types of colors, drawing and painting on it. Okay, work, rhyme time. Work and no play. Life is boring, life is dead. Always work and no play. There is the Power Bright. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Only if you work and if there is no play, you become a dull. Work and no play. Life is boring. Yes, life is boring and when life is dull. Take a break, go for a run, play a game, life is fun. Take a break, children. Instead of always studying, take a break, go for a run, play a game, and life is fun. Play any type of game, and your life will be fun. Set and do's and don'ts. Okay. Set a timetable for yourself. You have to set a timetable, children. In previous session, we have set a timetable, right? From 7 o'clock you get up and you have to go to sleep at 8:30. Set a timetable. Work according to the timetable. Whatever time you have fixed for a particular time, work according to that. Then keep a slot for recreation. Give a half an hour for your relaxation. Okay, recreation is nothing but relaxation. Cultivate a hobby. You have to cultivate a hobby. You have to take one hobby, and that hobby means what? Which pleases yourself. The work which pleases yourself. Do not watch too much TV. Don't watch too much TV or don't watch too much phone. Okay? Don't play unsafe games like playing with the blade or playing with the matchstick. No, don't play that game. Do not fight while you relax. First of all, you are relaxing because you are tired. Upon that, if you fight, it will completely be useless, right? So don't fight while you are tired. And revision, we need to relax and refresh after work. Yes, we need to relax and refresh after work. When you are completely working, you need to relax and refresh. What are the few ways of relaxing? Is playing, reading, and dancing, or going out to meet your relatives. Our hobby gives lot of refreshment. See, if the work you do which pleases, right? If you do that work, you feel lot of refreshment. Our mind gets relaxed by sleeping. Always working and no sleeping? No. You have to sleep at least for 8 hours. Okay? We must take healthy means of recreation. Whatever the thing which is healthy for you, you have to use that recreation. Okay, now shall we go for exercise part? Take page number 197. Okay, children, page 197. Take the pictures which can be a way to relax. See, one man is swimming. Is this the correct way to relax? Yes. Tick mark where the man is swimming. See here. Tick mark where the man is swimming. See here, some children are planting the plants. It is the correct way of, right? Tick mark here. Here two boys are fighting. Is it a correct way? No. So put into mark. Yes, see, they are putting rangoli over here. It's the correct way? Yes. So this is the correct way. This is the wrong way. Okay. Come to page number, next page number 198. Second main. Fill in the blank. First question. Entertainment dash our mind. What does entertainment does? Entertainment refreshes our mind. R-E-F-R-E-S-H-E-S. Refreshes. Entertainment refreshes our mind. Some people exercise to what? Relax. Some people exercise to relax. Why exercise? See, some people who work on sitting on a desk, right? 9 to 10 hours they will be sitting on that desk, and they want some to relaxation. So what they will do? They will start to exercise. If they exercise, their body will get fit and healthy, and it is a means of relaxation for them. Dash is important for our mind. What is important for our mind? Rest. Rest is important for our mind. Dash saves our time and energy. If you prepare a particular thing, it will save our time also and our energy also. What is that? Timetable. Always you have to prepare timetable, right? It is fun to be with our friends. Yes, it is fun to be with our friends. If you don't have friends, your life will be bored, right? So you should always have a friends. List third name. List any 4 things that you learn in this school. What are the things that you learn in this school? I learn to read and write. Right, you learn to read and write, right? B. Then what do you learn to read? You learn about the good manners and discipline. Good manners and discipline. Then what you will learn? Karate and sports, right? Karate physical activities. Then what you will learn? Work done according to the timetable. Work to do according to the, your lab will be having subjects, right? Will be having each period, each teacher will come, right? So it is also timetable. Work to do according timetable. If you have anything, you can write it, children. No issues, okay? Manners of speech, discipline, what you like, you can write it. But make sure you write a proper sentence what you are learning in this school. You will learn to read and write. Good manners and disciplines we teach you. We teach you about the physical activities. Let it be cricket, let it be karate, let it be any sports, let it be dance. We'll teach you, right? In theatre also we have done. We will like to play the games. Carrom you have played, right? Ludo you have played. Then work to do according to timetable. We teach you, right, how to do your work according to your timetable. We'll set you a timetable to do, right? Then write yes for you the work you do, no for you don't want. Okay. 4th May. I go to hill station to relax. Will you go for hill station to relax? If you go, you mention yes, children. If you don't go, mention no. It's up to you. If you go for hill station, you mention yes. If you don't go, you mention no. Okay. 2nd, I find with my brother to entertain. No one should do this. So our answer is no. 3rd, listening to music and singing are my ways to relax. Yes, listening and music is your ways to relax. Then you should mention yes. If no, my hobby is different, you mention no. Okay, up to you. I go to horse riding to entertain myself. Yes, if you go for horse riding, you mention yes. If you don't go, you mention no. Okay, how you prefer, you mention it. I sleep for an hour. After relaxation, after going to school, from school to home, if you relax, you mention yes. If not, you mention no. Okay, it is up to you, children. Okay, if you go for hill station to relax, yes, I go hill station to relax, mention yes. No, ma'am, I don't go, mention no. But then I fight with my brother to entertain. No one should do this. No one should fight with anyone to get entertainment. Okay, so no. Then listening to music and singing from my ways to relax. If listening to music and singing is your ways to relax, mention yes. No, ma'am, I like to read the books, or I like to cook, or I like to help my mother, or I like to cook something up, planting or something, then mention no. It's your wish. Then I go for horse riding to entertain myself. If you are going for horse riding, write yes. If not, mention no. I sleep for an hour after full tired. If you sleep for an hour in a day, mention yes. If not, you mention no. Okay, children. So I am completing my textbook exercises here. If you have any doubts, we will meet our interactive session, and after this interactive session, I will be sending you notes. Okay? And I'll send to the ULO app. You can check in the ULO app and you can write it. Okay, children? Bye bye. Take care.